Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a smoky but natural eye look. This smoky look is daytime friendly and you can turn it into a nighttime look by adding a statement lip shade. And Jaclyn Hill is one of my favorite YouTubers and I'm adding a clip where she explains about this smoky but natural look. This is one of her favorite looks and she also named a shade in her eyeshadow palette as SBN, which is smoky but natural. Please keep in mind that the makeup she is wearing in the video is not what I'm going for, so here it is.
When I used to be a freelance makeup artist and I would do like weddings and prom makeup all the time, and that's what I did, every single client that would sit down in my chair would always say like, I want something smoky. Like I want it to be like really smoky and like Kim Kardashian-esque, but natural. Like I still want to look natural, but I want it to be smoky. And I'm like, okay, so smoky but natural. And they'd be like, exactly, smoky but natural.
Okay, so let's get started. So I'm taking this neutral eyeshadow from the Body Shop called Sand by Me and applying it all over my eyes so that the eyeshadows blend easily. Now taking a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm taking this brown shade from the Makeup Revolution palette called Garnet and I'm applying it in the outer corners of my eyes and I'm building the color up by adding little at a time till the time I'm happy with the pigmentation. Now taking my Oriflame blending brush, I'm taking this shade called Cerise, which is close to my skin shade, and adding it in the crease of my eyes and slowly blending it with the outer corner, kind of bringing the two colors together. Now if you want to see how I did my base, I recently did a video on that and I'll add the link in the description box below. Or you can also check the end of my video. Now I'm adding some more of that brown color because I wanted that area to be more pigmented, so adding little at a time and blending it again. Taking this dark brown shade called Burn It, I'm gonna add that to the outer corners of my eyes and blend again. So for any kind of smoky look, the key is to blend, so keep on adding color and blend till the time everything looks seamless. Now taking this color Cerise, again, I'm adding it in the inner third area of my eyes. Now mixing the nude shade and the brown shade, I'm gonna add it in the lower lash line. And taking the blending brush with no product on it, I'm just gonna blend everything together. Now taking this creamy vanilla shade called Sunday, I'm gonna use it as my brow bone color. This pulls the whole look together. Now taking the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black, I'm gonna put it in the upper and lower lash line and also tight line my eyes. I'm not concerned about the neatness because we're gonna smudge it. And the line is not too thin or too thick, it's just somewhere in between. Now taking a smudging brush or a pencil brush, I'm smudging the kajal in the upper and lower lash line. Now taking the brown shade Garnet again, I'm gonna put it in the lower lash line and smoking it out. And yep, I'm ready just like that. I just put on some mascara, false lashes and lip shade. So this is my finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.